Okay, guys. Sorry. I was crying. Okay, I saw the video of Baba Ijesha. Oh, yes, Baba Ijesha. With the 14-year-old girl. I saw it on my manager's page. Big Sam's page. Samuel Olatunji. You can go and follow him to watch the video. I can't post it on my page. And by the time the video got to 3 minutes, I started crying. When he started rubbing her feet, raising her dress up, rubbing her breasts, I became so furious. I started crying. Now, this is my 2 cents. Anybody who justifies this, who still wants to ask questions, you are a bad person. You are a terrible person. If you still are in that position to feel that, or to assume that, okay, why didn't she, or why wasn't there, or okay, why did she even try to set him up again when it already happened, or why didn't they report the case earlier? All of now, God go judge you now. If this video does not show that this man should be in jail, I became so furious because she is vulnerable. She's 14. There's nothing she can do. There's nothing she can do. She doesn't even have the physical strength to defend herself. Even while she was kicking your hands off Baba Ijesha, you were still touching this girl. I hope and I pray you rot in jail. And while you are in jail, people who are stronger than you, who have been in jail long before you, will take advantage of your anus. They are going to hold you in corners that you will not be able to shout, you will not be able to run, and they will forget for you. For taking advantage of a young girl because she was vulnerable. All of you that take advantage of people when they are vulnerable because they are vulnerable, God will punish you. Baba Ijesha, may you rot in jail. My 2 cents. Thank you.